everyone, and welcome back to the English Elevate podcast. I'm Alex, and I'm really happy you're here with us today.
Hi, everyone. I'm Olivia. This podcast is a calm place to practice real-life English, slowly and clearly.
No pressure, no fast talking.
Just simple English you can actually use in your daily life.
Olivia, let me ask you something. Have you ever gone to a restaurant and felt nervous speaking English?
Yes, many times. Even simple things can feel hard when you're hungry.
Exactly. You're hungry, the waiter is waiting, and your mind goes blank.
So today, we're going to help with that.
Yes, today's topic is how to speak English at a restaurant.
Let's start at the beginning. You walk into a restaurant.
Hello, how many people?
2 people, please.
Or just one?
Short answers are okay. You don't need long sentences.
Then they may say, please follow me.
You can smile and say, okay, thank you.
Polite, simple, perfect.
Now you sit down, you get the menu,
You can say, can I see the menu, please?
or if you need time, we need a few minutes, please.
That sentence is very useful.
The waiter may ask, what would you like to drink? You can say, I'd like water, please. Or, can I have a coffee? Notice the word please. It makes everything polite. Now, the important part, food.
My favorite part.
You can say, I'd like the chicken, please.
Or, can I have the pasta?
If you don't understand the menu, it's okay.
You can say, can you explain this?
Or, what do you recommend?
Olivia, one time I was very nervous. I wanted fish, but I said chips only.
So you got only chips?
Yes, I was hungry, but polite.
That's okay. Mistakes are part of learning. When you've finished eating, you can say, can I have the bill, please? In American English, people say, can I have the check, please? Both are correct. Different countries, same meaning.
Now let's practice together.
Please listen, pause, and repeat.
I'd like a coffee, please.
Can we see the menu?
We need a few minutes.
Can I have the bill, please?
You don't need perfect grammar.
You just need clear words and a calm voice.
People want to help you.
And every time you try, you get better.
Restaurant English is real-life English.
And you can do it, slowly, step by step.
Here's our question for you.
What food do you like to order at a restaurant?
Write one simple sentence in English in the comments.
And if this episode helped you,
Please like the video
together,
and subscribe to the English Elevate podcast.